Hello students, in the last video I told you about the definition of nationalism and the philosophy given by Ernest Renan about nationalism. Then the picture by Frederick Sorio in 1848 that we discussed, the Statue of Liberty. I told you some facts about Statue of Liberty also, and even the Germany came into the existence. That part we discussed. Now uh, the next part, what happened, like after the Louis, King Louis was executed by guillotine in Paris. Guillotine is a machine, a heavy large blade is there in that machine, and person has to keep, the person who will get executed, his head would kept over there, and then the huge blade would come down and chop the head. So that kind of punishment was there that time. King Louis used to kill the people with the help of this machine, guillotine. The same machine was used to kill King Louis, even his wife, and his son was also kept in prison. It happened. The revolutionaries, they did this. Now, 1789 revolution in France, the people who would henceforth constitute the nation and shape its destiny. What they did, they formed their own constitution. There, the two notions were used. One is the la patrie, that is the fatherland, and second is les citoyens, that is the citizen. Like the people who are from the same fatherland, the citizens, okay, they should have the equal rights. So what they did, these two terms emphasized the notion of a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. So they need to do some changes. So what changes these revolutionaries did? Okay, after the death of king, what they did? See, first they changed the flag. A new tricolor flag was chosen to replace the former royal standard. The new flag, tricolor flag. Active citizens elected the state general. The state general is the chief. Okay, can take the decision. So that was elected by active citizens, not all the citizens. Then National Assembly was formed, okay, by these all active citizens, and new national anthem, national song, that is new hymns, they were formed. New oaths were taken. Then all the martyrs, the heroes for this freedom, they were commemorated. Okay, and this all was done in the name of nation. Okay, that all was done in the name of nation. Now this was done. Now what the what way they did administration? We'll have to see that they have formed centralized administrative system, and what things they did in centralized administrative system, we'll see that. New laws, that is uniform laws for all citizens. Okay, no special privileges to any authority, all uniform laws. Custom duties and dues were abolished. The custom duties were very heavy, which were led by the previous king, King Louis. So all were abolished. They removed all. Then uniform system of weights and measures was adopted. So uniform system of weights and measures, like 1 kg. If 1 kg in our area, okay, whatever the weight it is, that will be similar in other area also. Okay, so weight and measure, that they made very specific. Okay, they adopted the uniform system for that. Then regional dialects were discouraged and French became the common language of the nation. Regional dialects, example, in if we consider about Gujarat, then Kutchi, Surti, Kathiawadi, there are so many, but no, then Ahmedabadi. And India, there are so many languages. If you go in Maharashtra, there is Marathi. If you go in UP, then Hindi, Urdu. If you go in South, then Tamil, Telugu. So for a nation, what they did, they formed this administrative system, and one common language they did, that is French. Everybody has to use only French. Okay, Now in our India we use Hindi and English, but French, what they did, French will be the only language. Other dialects, uh, they got discouraged. Okay, that they did. Next is this this was done in France. Okay, now they have not stopped over here, these revolutionaries. The revolutionaries further declared that it was the mission and the destiny of the French nation to liberate the people of Europe from dispossession. In other words, to help other people of Europe to become nations. Like we have become nation now. Now the other parts where this monarchy is going on, okay, autocracy is going on, disposition is going on. So these people, the revolutionaries, they decided that our nation would definitely support them for the freedom, for the liberty, and would help them to form their nation. Okay. So other part of Europe, they were very happy, definitely. In other European parts, in European cities, people they started forming groups, Jacobin clubs. Jacobin, it means Jacobin, a member of an extremist or radical political group. Jacobin means member or a person within the group of an extremist or radical political group. Okay, so the Jacobin groups they started forming, and the people they joined into that, the literate people, the middle class people, students, revolutionaries, they uh, joined these Jacobin clubs and started the revolution. And in that revolution, definitely the role of this country, France, okay, French revolutionaries, they definitely helped them. French army helped these people to form their own nations. Okay, now in the next video I'll go further and give you some details.